TP-Link MR6400 wireless and 4G LTE router. Right, so this has a recommended retail price of 349 ringgit, but I got this off Shopee for 275. So this is the front of the box. Got the latest TP-Link logo. In fact, to avoid reflection and glare, I'm going to remove this plastic off it immediately because that is not needed. Alright, so supports yes, Mobile Digi, Maxis Unify, Telcom, world number one. TP-Link is the world's number one Wi-Fi product provider for the consecutive 9 years. Source is IDC Worldwide Quarterly WLAN Tracker Q4 2019, claim based on worldwide shipments, and it is SIM card plug and play, wireless and Wi-Fi where you need it, and 4G, TD, and FDD for 3G compatible. 300 megabits wireless speed and Qualcomm inside for better reliability. TP-Link 3-year warranty. There is a number there where it goes to a KL address as well. And then this side we got the specification: LTE download speeds of 150 megabits per second with an upload speed of 50 megabits per second. But they can support a wireless up to 300 megabits per second, and 2 advanced high gain external antennas. It's got a 10100 LAN WAN port and 3 10100 LAN ports. These are the dimensions. Alright, packaging contains the 300 megabits per second wireless and 4G LTE router, power adapter, RJ45 Ethernet cable, and quick installation guide. We got a diagram where we are now educated on the location of the power button, LAN WAN port, LAN port, power button, WPS reset button, Wi-Fi on and off, micro SIM card slot, micro SIM, interesting. Over here we have compatibility with the GSM bands, for example. Easy setup and use. Installation is simple thanks to an intuitive web interface and powerful TP-Link app Tether. Tether lets you manage your network settings with your smartphone. Scan this QR code to download the TP-Link Tether app. And then at the bottom, hiding the IMEI number, we got a serial code and a warranty, and this is like this piece of cardboard is as if it's like trying to be cut up. We got an IPv6 sticker which looks from straight from the 2000s. So let's go ahead and open this up. So it's a simple box. We got a couple of numbers on the flap here. Hey. And here as well. Let's open it up. No flaps, no numbers on the flaps here. So inside the box it is completely empty, nothing else, no literature, no cardboard, no writing on the cardboard. So we have a power adapter with a barrel style jack. This is a 12 volt 1 amp 12 watt power supply, so almost identical to what you get with an external hard drive. Pretty light, nothing spectacular to speak of there. You got the Ethernet cable, which is a standard Ethernet cable. I would say 1 meter in length, round, not flat, so right. This ugly color though. You have a nano to micro SD card adapter. That's actually a neat addition. You've got a piece of literature here. And then you've got a quick installation guide. Verify the hardware, enjoy the internet. It's like an A4 size, folded in 4. Customize the 4G LTE router, Tether app, need help. Fascinating. We've got a nice plastic protective wrapping here, which we shall keep. But the antennas, we have plastic wrapping on the antennas as well, which comes pre-attached. There is wall mount holes. We got a MAC address, SSID, as well as a model serial number barcode, FCC logos and whatnot. TP-Link, yada yada. So that's super glossy, which has a super fast 4G LTE for reliable Wi-Fi. This is designed for maximum network coverage, 2.4 GHz. Available WAN connection, and it's got management made simple, powerful processor, and got a SIM card, then plug and play. So yep, at the back here we got a power button, LAN 1, LAN 2, LAN 3, LAN WAN, WPS, Wi-Fi on and off, SIM card slot, and then a diagram for the micro SIM card. So yeah, it does turn on, and as you can see, there's a lot of lights, and there's also like a signal bar, which is one reason why I chose this router compared to others.